a serious plant disease that mainly affects perennial crops. I'll briefly introduce what causes it, which plants are affected, the symptoms, how it spreads, and how we can manage and prevent it. Ganoderma root rot is caused by a group of fungi called Ganoderma, especially Ganoderma bonin. These fungi live in the soil and spread through infected roots left in the ground in places like Malaysia. Continuous planting has caused infection rates to rise to around 30%. Slide 1. Hosts affected. The main host plants are oil palm, rubber tree, and cocoa tree. For example, in Sabah, about 30% of oil palms have died because of this disease. Rubber plantations in Thailand also suffered serious yield losses. Some other plants, like lychee and pine, can also be infected. This disease causes clear symptoms both underground and above ground. Underground, the roots rot and turn dark. At the stem base, brown lesions appear, and later, mushroom-like fruiting bodies can grow near the base of the plant. Above ground, infected plants start to look weak. Leaves turn yellow, branches die back, and new growth slows down. Because of this, crop yield drops sharply. In some orchards, production can be reduced by more than half. Ganoderma root rot mainly spreads through contaminated soil and infected planting materials. In areas with continuous cropping, the pathogen builds up in the soil, making the disease very hard to control once it starts spreading. The impact of this disease is very serious. It can reduce plant yield by 30 to 50%, lower soil quality, and even affect the local ecosystem. Over time, this leads to long-term economic losses and environmental